We're leaving Petalidi.
Yep.
Going to Kalamata.
Yep. End destination.
Yes.
Spent here a few days?
I think, yeah. Nice place, so
Yeah.
quiet. Now to the marina.
Mati
Het is wel een beetje vaart, hè? Dat is nog in.
Ja. Beetje die andere.
Ja, ik had die moeten hebben.
Ja.
Ja.
Met me.
Yeah, first that one.
We just arrived today in Kalamata in the marina, and of course, what did we do? We go to the threshold.
Yeah, our favorite restaurant.
Our favorite restaurant 2 years ago, and we eat a lot of there. And our favorite dishes like the chicken souvlaki and the pork
Tenderloin.
tenderloin with mushroom sauce.
Look. And the tenderloin with mushrooms and cream. And nice wine.
So
Nice service here. Very nice people.
happy to be here again.
I'm also very happy.
So.
Peloponnese.
We arrived in Kalamata, staying on pontoon E, waiting for our final winter place spot. And yeah, so I'm going home very quick, and because of my father is not doing well. He has Alzheimer, and yeah, I think it's not going well, so I have to go to him, and we don't know how long it takes before he maybe will pass away. So I'm glad that he is still there, and yeah, going to my sister, my mother, and going in the process. About half an hour the taxi will pick me up to bring me to the airport.
So I'm staying here. There are two reasons. The main reason is this is not a good place to stay here. If the storm is coming, it's you're gonna rock all over the place. So I'm not leaving. They have a problem with something. There are two spots over there, and there's our neighbor has to go also there. But I don't move away from this spot. We will see how long it takes. I think 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks there will probably come a storm. So we will see. Alice, keep me posted about her father, and yeah, from there on I will see what I'm gonna do if it's going bad. But we will see. First, Alice is going home, and I went to the barber. There's a big barber shop here in Kalamata. They're called Barber Alice. So I'm very happy about that.
Yeah.
Half an hour and then taxi will arrive.
Yeah. And we did some preparation, cleaning.
Yeah. Dinghy's gone. It's in the luggage here. How do you call this?
Yeah, Genoa.
Yeah.
And other stuff we did, so.
Yeah. One thing more. I'm not going to upload every week video. It's a little bit a holiday. But less footage, of course. But if I have footage, I'll make a video, and I don't know, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. We will see. Are you ready, Alice?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go
Yeah.
to find the cab. Bye bye, Alice.
Ik hou je touw.
Ja.
Ja? Oké.
You too.